ABU Robocon 2005 Beijing. It's that time of the year again when young engineers take center stage in the contest of their dreams. This year, an unprecedented 1,041 teams participated in the Asia-Pacific prelims. The 20 teams who survived met in Beijing to wage the final battle for supremacy. This year's contest honors a great World Heritage Site in the host country, the Great Wall of China. To light the watchtower fires, the team must place fuel balls in the parapets. That's the task in this year's contest. The theme is, climb on the Great Wall, light the holy fire. One team is red, the other blue. They compete to put balls in the one main torch in the center. 4 surrounding outer torches, and 4 fuel discs in the corners. Contestants earn 5 points for each ball placed in the main torch, and 1 point everywhere else. Each match lasts 3 minutes. There's a special rule too. Any team that puts a ball in the main torch and the 2 outer torches in a diagonal line, plus in the 4 fuel discs, wins the match immediately. In other words, they've climbed the Great Wall. Let's watch a match between Malaysia's team and the team from Beijing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
First, a contest of speed to control the center. The robots from both teams extend their arms to block each other, but neither has scored yet. Making use of advanced sensor technology, Malaysia's automatic machine moves along the white line to an outer torch. It scores 4 points, the first score of the game. Beijing instantly responds with points of their own, and a heated battle ensues. Beijing, in red, takes the lead by scoring in the corner disc with their manual machine. Malaysia, in blue, pumps out balls in an effort to tie the score. Operators from both sides head for the same corner and clash. Beijing blows Malaysia's balls out of the disc. A blast of compressed air becomes a deadly blow to Malaysia, whose score is suddenly reduced. In an effort to turn the tables, Malaysia tries to score 5 points at the main torch. But the torch is so well guarded by both sides that the balls won't go in. Meanwhile, Beijing steadily builds their lead by scoring at the corners. The Malaysian team can't recover and loses the match. Egypt was a team that really shone at this tournament. Their automatic robot heads straight for the main torch, blocking their opponent and scoring big. Another automatic machine steadily scores at the outer torches. If Egypt scores at one more corner, they'll climb on the Great Wall. They did it. Egypt wins the ABU Robocon 2005 Beijing Award. This is the semifinal match between China's Harbin team and Japan, where things really start heating up.
5, 4, 3.
Watch the defensive play at the center. Harbin wins the contest for the main torch and quickly scores 10 points. Harbin in red also captures an outer torch, amassing a 15-point lead. Japan in blue fights back, winning points at another outer torch. Japan asks for a restart. They collect their defensive machine. Shooting balls from their manual machine, they score from a distance. The balls are given backspin to control their position. Meanwhile, Japan's automatic machine begins slowly scoring points at the main torch. Overtaking Harbin, Japan is now 5 points ahead. At this point, Harbin decides to restart too. They have 4 balls left in their automatic machine. If they can place them in the center torch, they can recover the lead. But as soon as they move their robot, Japan's automatic machine starts scoring again. Harbin falls even further behind. They pin all of their hopes on their restart. But the machine stops with his arms extended and fails to score. Time runs out, and Japan wins. It's time at last for the final match to determine the Asia Pacific champion. The match pits the host country team against Japan, where the Robocon was born. Both teams aim their defensive robots towards the center. It's a violent clash. Japan is able to find a small space that gives them access to the main torch. Seeing their chance, they start their automatic machine. Beijing's more mobile robots score steadily at the outer torches. Scoring at the corner discs also, they widen their lead. Meanwhile, Japan's robot moves slowly into place next to the main torch, where their defensive robot has created a space. One by one, the balls drop in. Actually, Japan's robot moves differently in this match than before. Before, the robot approached the center from an angle. But in this match, it comes in to the main torch from the front. The robot is programmed to change its travel direction with the simple press of a button. The team member who started the robot read the conditions of the field and decided on this strategy just before he sent in their scoring machine. A sensor on the arm of the machine reads colors and rotates the central torch to the correct one. Japan scores big. Japan has a commanding lead, a 38-8. But Beijing's machine fights back by dropping balls in from a high position. The fans go wild as Beijing begins to catch up. Tension is high as Japan strives to maintain the lead. Beijing in red decides to restart their machine. If they put their 2 remaining balls into the torch, they'll take the lead. Hoping to turn the tables, they restart their machine. It arrives at the center and slowly positions itself to score. The arm positions itself beautifully at the red basket. But The top ball fails to roll. Time runs out, and Japan enjoys its first victory. ABU Robocon 2005 Beijing ends with Japan the victor. And they're already looking ahead to the challenge of next year.